at you. Look at you. Oh my goodness.
Here's a video of Peanut's pups. And they're right at 8 weeks. They'll be 10 weeks old and can travel as of September the 18th, 2015. Today is the 3rd of September.
What are you doing back here? Come here. They all look like little beagles.
Yeah.
They're just so cute.
They're the little one. Hi, little one. Hi, little one. Hi. Oh, you're friendly.
We have two girls and one boy. Here's the boy.
Yeah, he says, I'm the big brother. I'm the big brother.
Did you be little? Huh? You slicking? You're a little slicking? These are some fat puppies.
I know. They're solid. They're little, but they're really solid.
They were 3-4 weeks old. They were as big around as they were long. Now we're starting to slim down a little bit. They're all kind of marked like her. Beagle.
Peanut Jr.
Something on your nose here. Cross between a Jersey cow and the Beagle.
Ha 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 ha.
All of them.
What's Daddy doing over there?
Beautiful. Soft, shiny coats. They take after their mommy. Hi.
One ear up, one ear floppy. I'm working on it.
They all have the tan eyebrow thing going on. I'm the boy. I'm kind of bigger and chunkier. Come here, sissy. Come here.
And the littlest one seems to be the explorer. Are you Dora the Explorer?
Not so much on the tan eyebrows. It's pretty light. Tan cheeks. And the inside of my ears.
Yeah.
Guess it depends how much tan you want on the eyebrows. What's the only difference? Come here. Hey. Come here. Come here. You gonna go up and over? There you go. She sure runs cute.
Yes, you little stinker butt.
I'm cute. I'm pretty cute. Come here, give me kisses. You're so cute. Come here. Come here. Oh, what's that? A drive-by. A drive-by kiss. Yeah, drive-by kisses. Drive-by kisses.
What's that?
Come here, little puppies.
They love their toys. They're happy kids.
Now you're giving me kisses. Now you give me good kisses. She's full of it.
I know.
She just has devilment in her eyes. Just having a good time, huh? Just having a good time. Hi. The boy here is more he's more contemplative.
Yes.
He has to think things out a little bit more.
Yes. Just love the way she scoots around. Makes me laugh.
He's worried about what she's doing.
Yeah, yeah.
Is he wondering what she's doing? What's she doing? And you? Are you the playful one?
So I like my toys. I'm gonna kill this toy. I'm gonna dominate it. Get the monkey.
Sissy girl. Shut it, thanks, boys. Playing tug of war. There you are.
She says I'm just all over the map.
You're just Zoom Zoom.
Zoom zoom.
That's what we call you, Zoom Zoom?
She got the helicopter tail. Woo!
Zoom Zoom. Can't believe how chunky they are.
I know.
Really not that big for being 8 weeks, just that.
Yeah. Happy kids, happy kids. Happy kids, happy kids.
Oh, how pretty you are.
Yes, what a pretty girl. Them great big ears.
All these puppies have about pea-sized molars on top of their heads. And it's never going to close.
fragile little packages.
Get you. Arches. Put your back while I'm touching her belly.
Ah, I saw you. Shake it off. Shake it off.
You, all these toys. Don't tear up the blanket. Get the monkey.
Hello.
Another monkey. Want this one? Ooh. Toodaloo. Come here. Come here. Give your daddy some kisses. Give your daddy some kisses.
You just make me laugh.
Hi. I saw that. You give him good kisses now. Oh, yes. Good kisses from you, too. These are all quick drive-by kisses.
Yeah. They're busy. See, we got things to do.
Come here.
Oh.
Oh, my goodness. I just love tan eyebrows.
Yeah. We got a tug of war going on. Oh.
You feeling your oats now, too? Huh? Oh, my goodness. What'd you eat for breakfast?
Oh, we're going to talk to you.
What'd you eat for breakfast, huh? Oh, heck. They want belly rub?
I don't know. Kind of busy for a belly rub. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. She means business.
You stepped on the squeaky. Hee hee hee. Hee hee hee.
Oh. No. No remodeling.
Don't chew on the blanket. Come kill the monkey. Come kill the monkey.
You little poop. See, but it's so much fun.
Typical Chihuahuas here. Aren't you?
Just happy kids. So we're available 7 days a week for visits if you want to come and get on the floor like Vic is here, like we do with our puppies, and play with them and see how sweet and healthy and affectionate
Happy.
and
Don't
happy.
forget happy.
So
You're
happy.
pup.
Such happy kids. Such happy kids.
Especially her.
Yes.
Goodness.
Yes.
Who wound you up?
She the littlest, but she
Huh?
seems
Who
to
wound
be
you up this morning? Oh my goodness.
the most adventurous. Oh,
You just
what
feel
she
so
got now?
happy.
She got the chicken. She got the chicken. Oh, where you going with the chicken? Where you going with that chicken? Oh,
Killing me? You killing my hand? Huh? You killing my hand? Oh my goodness.
I hear some laughing.
Yeah, that's another girl here.
Oh,
Don't
my.
make your sister mad.
No, don't make her mad.
She'll get you.
Huh, Mitzi? She can barely fit her mouth around that toy.
Yeah.
Look at you. She's trying hard. She says, I'm going to figure out some way to get a hold of it and pack it off. Because it's mine.
Everything's mine.
Yep. It's all mine.
Hello. You don't like that squeaky?
Oh, maybe. What is it?
Oh, what is it? It's a squeaky. Oh, you. Well, she just ain't sitting still for nothing.
No.
She's busy, busy, busy. This you are. That's mine.
Oh, no, it's not.
It's mine.
She's going to fight you for it.
I'll scratch your butt.
Oh, I'll just get the other one. Or maybe that one. Who knows?
What are you doing? Giving kisses?
They don't know.
Bouncing around.
Yes, they said we're just having a blast here. Oh my.
Now the little one's the one laughing now.
Yeah?
There we go. There's the belly rub.
There's some belly rubbing.
Don't chew on your sister while I got her down. That's not fair. That's not fair at all. No, it's not. Oh, you want to wrestle, little one? You want to wrestle? Ow! Ow! Hey! That's attached to something. Yeah.
They are having a ball.
Okay, little puppies.
So here they are. These are Peanuts, kids. Peanuts, beautiful little babies.
Little peanut butters.
Little babies.
Peanut butter.
So come and see them or give us a call.